With Zero Trust model, we move from the world of implicit assumptions made based on single elements to explicit verification of all elements. You may have hardened your external access points by using multi-factor authentication, or maybe used your certificates for your VPN, but possibly in our investigations, we see time to time again that either because of the new exploits, what's called as zero-day exploits, or because of exceptions made to reduce the friction with demanding workers. And sometimes these demanding workers are the VIP guys, sometimes in the C-suite. And sometimes the VIP workers think that if they are on my network, it's okay, but it's not good enough. A successful zero trust strategy requires seamless and flexible access to applications, systems, and data while maintaining security for both users and the resources they need to do the jobs. The 5 steps to secure your identity infrastructure are: number 1, strengthen your credentials. So it means that if the users in your identity system are using weak passwords and not strengthening them with MFA, it's just a matter of time that when a user will get compromised. Point number 2 is to reduce your attack surface area. It's important to make life harder for attackers. So eliminate the usage of older and less secure protocols, limit NA access entry points, and also exercise more significant control of administrative access to resources. The point number 3 is about automating threat response. It's important to reduce the costs and also the risks by reducing the time criminals have to embed themselves into the environment. Point number 4 is about increasing your awareness. So you will do that by auditing. You will do that by logging of all the security related events and also related alerts to help detect patterns. And this will indicate internal attacks as well, regardless they are successful or unsuccessful in penetrating to your network. Point number 5 is enabling self-help. It's important to empower your users to stay productive, and at the same time you remain vigilant. And this is something that you can do with the help of a feature called as SSPR, which is self-service password reset, and you are enabling self-help with that particular feature in Azure Active Directory. Now there are technologies, there are techniques that are discussed throughout the course that will help support the journey of zero trust or the strategy of zero trust. But the first point, or the first step, is to enable a zero trust model. How do you have a very strong identity and access management methodology in your organization? So Azure Active Directory has features like conditional access. It also has zero trust networking. At the same time, it has some features called as zero trust assessment that will help you determine where your organization is and how to move to the next stage. Well, let's go ahead and talk about these points in the next section.